bing, 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 bing. This is another money video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make a ton of money in this video. So easy, $4,000 monthly from YouTube videos. This is so easy. I'm so excited to show this to you. It's never been easier than this. I'm gonna show you a 5-step system that you can earn money literally downloading and uploading YouTube videos onto other websites and making money from them. But there's a few simple steps that you gotta do. I'm gonna go over them just now. Now, this method is super easy because literally you don't need to create any content. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to shoot any videos. You don't need to really do any video content yourself. All you need to do is take some videos from YouTube. You need to sign up for other sites where you can post them. You need to read the rules regarding what type of videos they're looking for. Then you need to download the videos that meet those rules. You need to do minor edits to them and you need to upload them. This doesn't cost any money. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be utilizing these new educational platforms such as Skillshare or Udemy or other educational sites that are taking over the educational industry. Education is shifting from being in person in colleges that cost way too much money to moving online. There's a revolution happening, folks, and you can be a part of it just by taking my videos, uploading them to other sites, and keeping all of the money to yourself. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. You may think I'm nuts, but follow along with me on my computer in this video, and we're gonna play the little video game called the internet and make some money together. Let's go. Okay, folks, so many of us know that online education is replacing colleges and university. If you know it, just type in the comments, I know it, because it's happening. And we're at the leading edge of a big wave that is coming along and is gaining steam, and it's eventually gonna come crashing over, and it's gonna be a massive, massive societal shift. This is a multi-trillion-dollar industry, the educational and the educational loans industry. And it's all starting to shift right now. Going to school for these colleges, it's a social thing. It's a big, fat social party for upper class and upper middle class kids. And it's coming to a crash very soon. Now, if you're in certain professions, such as law, engineering, or medical, which make up 3% of total college graduates, then I don't know. I don't think it's really a bubble. But for the other 97% of students that are in college, it's a big bubble, okay? And 97% is a bubble. So $4,000 a month from posting educational content on these new online educational sites is a blip on the radar, and it's very easy for you to get a hold of. Now, how we're gonna be doing this is we're going to be posting videos, educational videos, on sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and a host of other educational sites online. There's Udacity, there's Masterclass, there's a bunch of sites that we can post educational content and get paid for. And there's tens of millions of people a year that are spending money on online courses to learn how to do marketing or other sorts of business subjects. Now, let me walk you through exactly how this works right here. Okay, so here's one of the sites, Skillshare. Skillshare has a ton of videos on a ton of different subjects, photography, etc. If we go to udemy.com, you'll see a ton of different courses on all different categories: development, business, finance, accounting, IT, software, productivity, personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle, all of these different subjects. And if we just type in the word affiliate right here, we'll see a number of different classes teaching affiliate marketing. Now, frankly, I've looked into these different teachers. They know very little about affiliate marketing. In fact, most of them work for companies that actually do affiliate marketing, and they haven't made a lot of money doing affiliate marketing themselves. Why not offer my trainings with my permission? I give you my permission. Again, that's part of this video. I'm crazy. I don't care if you're making money on Udemy reposting my videos. My goal is to become the one marketing teacher in the world. And I don't want to make 11 bucks from Udemy, frankly. I don't care. They take like half the money anyways. You can take it all. I don't need it. But my goal is to influence more people. You can make the money, but you need to do the work. And the work is that you need to sign up for these sites. Udemy is one of the major sites. Skillshare is one of the major sites, but you can see that there are a lot of other sites that offer online education and will pay you when people purchase these courses for $5, $10, $20, $100. There's Khan Academy, Code Academy, Coursera, edX, Lynda. There's Open Sesame, Udacity, Pluralsight, CBT Nuggets, Code School, Kelby One. And there's a lot more websites that will pay you host classes on their sites. They need content. They want content. They're dying for it. All you have to do is the following 5 steps. You have full permission to use my videos any way you want. I don't give a hoot. Oh, I was gonna swear. I don't know if this would be demonetized. But either way, don't really care. So the first thing is sign up for these sites, okay? There's a lot out there. I just named out about a dozen. Number 2 is read the rules. What type of videos do they want, okay? We have a lot of videos in my library that are teaching people everything from Facebook group marketing, Facebook ad marketing, Google marketing, Google ad marketing, how to start a blog, how to write a landing page, how to advertise on Twitter, how to market on Twitter, how to market on Instagram. You have a lot of videos to choose from. I have hundreds of videos out there for you to repurpose and post on all of these sites. I just simply do not have the time to sign up for them all and read the rules. Folks, I'm literally running a one-person company that makes millions of dollars a year. This is why you, my audience, my subscribers are so important, because you can do things that I cannot. I simply do not have the time to sign up for these sites and make a few $1,000s. I do not have the time to read the rules and do what's necessary to type in the things. There's a lot of sites out there. I don't know which ones are gonna work, but my important goal is influence right now. I want to be the #1 marketing teacher in the world. So I'm giving you an opportunity right here to post my videos on Udemy. I have hour-long videos teaching Facebook ads that are the best on YouTube that you can repurpose. Third step is you'll need to download my videos, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can download my videos from YouTube in just a second here. Very easy. The fourth step is you may need to edit some of my videos. You may need to edit out certain parts of my videos where I say, subscribe to my channel, vote for Trump, watching YouTube videos on portrait mode is for losers. Whatever you're gonna edit out, you might wanna edit out some things like that. Again, I have not made my brand around being necessarily politically correct. I'm not trying to be. That's not what it's about. And also, that's bad long term, because if you're politically correct, you make one mistake, which all people do, and suddenly you're like getting flamed by like a gazillion people. They're like, oh, you know, like people get butthurt. So those are things you might have to edit out of my videos. But you do this minor editing and suddenly you are offered an opportunity to use some of the best marketing content on the internet and use it as your own and earn money from it. I don't care. My goal is not money right now, it's influence. And it's becoming the #1 marketing teacher in the world. Now, the last step is you would simply upload them to the websites. Now, I'm gonna show you how in just a second here. Let's get on the computer and let me go back to showing you exactly how to make this happen. So the first step, which is signing up for these sites, is not very difficult. Obviously, with Udemy, for instance, you would just go up here when right in Udemy, you can click sign up right there, okay? And you can also see that for Udemy, you really wanna go to this Teach on Udemy link right down here. You see that link right at the bottom left, Teach on Udemy. Now, Udemy is one of the biggest platforms. I highly suggest you guys post a number of courses on here from me there, okay? Now, the second step is you'll need to read their rules, okay? Every one of these platforms has different rules that you'll need to look at in order to post. For me saying vote for Trump, you know, that may not fly on some of these platforms that are run by liberals, right? So look through the videos and edit out little bits. If I swear in some videos, horrible thing, but you may need to edit those out. So edit those swear words out. You just need to know what you need to edit out and what you don't. But really all you'll need to be doing is editing out things. If I say subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously you'll need to edit out that bit. So really all you'll need to know is what are the criteria for what you need to edit out in each video. Now, in terms of downloading videos, let me show you a few videos that you would want to download and repost. I'm going to show you a number of videos that would be useful content that'll probably make for good lessons or courses on these platforms. Some videos, this one for instance, how to make money with Facebook for beginners 2020, shows people how to use Facebook groups and market to them, okay? So very helpful topic. Many people do not know Facebook group marketing, but it's a very popular searched word and keyword, and it's also probably a very good course to put out, Facebook group marketing. That could be a killer course to put out. And this is a 20-minute video that goes over exactly that topic, okay? Here's another example of a great course you could put out, which is 11 video course. It's my Google PPC training course. So you'll see this course is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour course on Google Ads. That's very relevant, that goes over all of the major subjects in Google Ads. And if you look in a site like Udemy, you'll see most of the courses aren't even 7 hours. They're 1 hour, there's 3.5 hours, they're 4 hours, they're 1.5 hours. And all of these people are routinely selling them for $11, okay? $11, $11, 44-minute course, 2.5 hour course. I have single videos that are longer than some of these courses that are selling on Udemy. And when you sell these courses on Udemy, you get that money. You'll get $11 every time buys affiliate marketing for newbies, the one-click affiliate, okay? You already have enough content to create an entire course. You have enough content to post many courses that are even better than all of these from somebody much more experienced, and you can earn all the money, and I literally don't care, okay? So you have this opportunity to make a lot of money. You're being given full permission. Here's another course you can post, is how to advertise and promote on YouTube, okay? So this is a full course on how to advertise on YouTube, showing step-by-step how to advertise on YouTube. Other courses on Udemy that show about YouTube ads, if there are even courses on YouTube ads. Actually, let's look. YouTube ads, YouTube marketing, okay? These are lectures. These aren't even screen shares, okay? YouTube ads, oh, here's something, 1.5 hours. Learn how to do effective YouTube ads. YouTube ads mastery. So let's see if these courses are by anybody notable. Musician, author. I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on YouTube. I'm assuming I know a lot more, and you can see this guy's feedback is very low. So you have the opportunity to repost content from somebody who's spending more money than almost 99.99% of businesses are on YouTube ads, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. You have the opportunity to totally eclipse this dude. Look, he said, it is very, very basic. If you're brand new to YouTube ads and have no idea of what you're doing, right? This is just a tutorial on how to create a YouTube ad. So you can post these things and have much better content than all these guys right here, okay? Next, making money on Facebook, okay? Once again, this was making money on Facebook ads. So everything you need, you have lots of programs, you have lots of trainings where you can teach people. All you need to do is post it. Now, in order to download these videos, you just search YouTube to MP4, okay? Really, you can go with any of these sites. I usually use KeepVid, and what you will do is you will take a video that you want to use. Let's say, for instance, we're gonna say the YouTube ads course, right? Just gonna get this link, copy, and I'm gonna go here and we'll click download now. So we'll just click that button right there to download the video. So here we go, and we can select best download. And what you'll want to do is you want to select that button right there, and we will right click and we'll click save link as, and we will be able to download this video. So just click save. So now you have a YouTube ads video. So that's the next thing. Now, if you need to edit out any actual parts of the video, let's say I swear or whatever, what you will do is you can just search free video editing software. And there's plenty of options for free video editing software depending on whether you're working on a Windows, a Mac, or a Linux. So there's a number of different options. There's dozens and dozens of different programs that you can use to simply just cut and edit out parts where, let's say I swear, or let's say I ask people to subscribe. You can repurpose that video and post it on sites like Udemy or Skillshare and start earning money from putting up online courses. And when you sign up for these, use my name, okay? What's the username? John Crestani. Use my name. I don't care. Impersonate me. Make the money yourself. Doesn't matter to me, okay? Really doesn't matter to me. And that's it. So seriously, folks, this might sound crazy, might feel a little awkward. And if you're feeling awkward doing this, type in feeling awkward. But on the other hand, if you're gonna put this into action, say I'm doing it in the comments below. Or even better, just do it, okay? Just go out there and do it and make money. But all I ask is provide me a testimonial when you start making me money. Come on my community, come on my channel, and let others know that you've put into action one of my methods and you are making money from it. Because very few people speak up. But as you see, we are creating hundreds and thousands of people learning how to make money online, quitting their jobs on their own. We have 14-year-olds making $1,500 a week. So let's make this money. Let's get this into action. And people, if you love this, and if you love marketing, and if you're excited about finding the cracks in the ways to get out of the muck, quit your job, drop out of school, and live free and work for yourself, give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and let's see some future videos. I look forward to seeing you again on this channel. And remember, live free, take back control. Let's make it happen. Looking forward to seeing what you produce. Let's make some money together. And again, my goal, every day we're coming out with videos on this channel. Every day, #1 marketing channel, #1 money channel on YouTube. We're coming out with ways for you to make money. So put it into action and let's see some money. Have a good day.
Since you took the time to watch this video till the end, you can access some of my paid courses for free today. You just need to look for the link in the description that says, Free, Private, Access. Once you click on that link, you will see an access web page. All you need to do to gain free access to the private membership club is type in 7654. You can then join my internet marketing membership club for free. I also listed some other very useful information below. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to like and click the notification bell to get updates. Okay, until next time, take care.